Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So let's talk about the best Trello power-ups that Trello has to offer. Well, let's just go ahead to Trello. It's going to be really quick. Okay, so the best thing about Trello is that, well, most of these very similar sites nowadays, they have templates, and that's just very cool, because templates, you could basically generate templates off of AI in and of itself. So yeah, that's the beautiful thing about this. So in here are the projects that I've already did in the past tutorials. So let's just finish it up with here, along with the actual power-ups. Okay, this one right here. So on the power-ups, you could see a bunch of power-ups here, deep lists, card sync and mirroring. There's a lot of power-ups here, and these are handpicked themselves by Trello, or by Trello's team, or I don't know if they do need team. Just click here to add. I believe they're run by AI right now. I don't know. Just basically click here. We've chosen the Board Genius. Okay, it says Board Genius, not really good with cursive. Just click on grant access. That's how you implement a power up. Okay, so yeah, again, the power ups is here on the side. As you can see, it's already turned into 2 because I've chosen 2. So these are the best power ups there is. So think of them as pre-made templates that are complementary to your work. Okay, it doesn't really go against your work. It really just, enhances it and helps you even more. It helps you even further. So here's the handy power up pack. They do have it listed, and checklist summary, handy power up packs. You could look it up, and yeah, before picking a particular power up, I suggest that you just try it out in the first draft, like this one. Kulog listing. This is my listing. I try the actual power up here, just to make sure that I got everything on par here. Okay, let's just change the initial structure of this first draft that I make. So yeah, just make sure to map out the exact, like, let's say I'm giving up example, or I'm giving up instructions to my coworkers or my teammates. You could just basically sync card also here, see the labels, members join. You could basically base it off of the checklists, and cut it off of the dates through attachment. Yeah, this is basically what I'm writing here is just make sure to map out what exactly is your MO, whatever specialty you get based on. Okay, so here you can attach an image link or upload from your computer. Let's say, for example, you have an image in your computer. You can basically click on that, upload a photo here. As you can see, I just took a screenshot, by the way, from a different page, so it doesn't really matter, as long as this is the tutorial right here, and this is the attach an image link. Let's say, for example, you have an image elsewhere, you have an image outside of Trello. You could basically put the link here. Like, for example, you could also use images from Google, whatever it is, social media platforms out there. You could basically, a link is a link, right? So they'll basically give the members with the link an access to the actual plethora where you are. So in here are the labels. You could basically just, these colors right here are just basically markers for you to actually mark each label, so that you wouldn't get lost in the process of trying to find your last work. And yeah, it's basically new sample for power-ups. So that's how versatile, and as you can see, I've already introduced you to the power-ups, but right now let's just go through how do you actually mark your listing labels, basically. Okay, so in here, as you can see, we've already mapped up. Let's just put it on bold italic heading. So in here, you can basically type out the instructions, like new main. This is going to be our let's just change the heading on preset here, just a little bit of composition in here. New main listing. Let's just take it slow. The simplicity of this is basically really good. In here, as you can see, recently viewed, search power up links. That's basically it. You could attach links here. You could attach photos. For example, I do recommend though that you experiment with your photos, especially when you're working with a bunch of people who are teenagers. They basically understand more if you add a little bit color to your work, I mean your instructions, you know what I mean. New main listing. Let's see, what else could we attach here? Let's say, for example, again, you could select it off and add new power-ups and add buttons and attachments, so to say, in our Kulog listing. Okay, so good. Basically, we paraphrase all these into markers, small dots. So in here, new main listing, here are the instructions, and please take note, please be on time. The schedule for recess is blah blah blah. You could just basically write it in here, your main instructions, and as you can see, with the added detail, we added more drama and effect with the added pencil emoticon here. So I don't know, emoji or emoticon. I have really no idea what the difference is. So move to 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's just not put it there. Alright. And then here, yeah, you can basically add on, and just put save, and that is basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.